The Holden HT Monaro GTS350 is a car that turned heads and shook up the Australian automotive scene. Back in the 1960s, Aussie motorists were used to more conservative designs, but the Monaro challenged all expectations. Born from rough sketches at Holden's new technical center, this bold coupe quickly captured attention, winning major accolades like Wheels Magazine's Car of the Year award in 1968. It didn't stop there. Its dominance continued with back-to-back victories at Bathurst, cementing its place in motorsport history. This is the story of the legendary 1969 Holden HT Monaro GTS350. The birth of a legend. The 1969 Holden HT Monaro GTS350 was an important model in Holden's effort to become a leader in the Australian muscle car market. It was a major upgrade from its predecessor, the HK Monaro, with many changes aimed at improving its performance to compete with rivals like Ford's Falcon. The name Monaro came from the Monaro region in New South Wales, linking the car to Australian heritage and pride. Holden's goal with the HT Monaro GTS350 was to build a car that not only performed at a high level, but also captured the attention of car enthusiasts. The HT Monaro was powered by the Chevrolet 350 cubic inch V8 engine, which replaced the previous 327 cubic inch V8, producing an impressive 300 horsepower. This engine upgrade was key to the Monaro's reputation for power and performance, which were crucial qualities for any muscle car wanting to lead the market. The HT Monaro GTS350 also featured several important design improvements. It had a redesigned engine cradle and front end, which improved the car's steering feel and handling. These changes were not just for looks, but were meant to enhance the driving experience, making the car more appealing to a wider group of customers. The updates to the Monaro's design were a direct response to the competition from Ford, helping Holden stay ahead in the muscle car race. The connection to the Monaro region in New South Wales was more than just a name. It served as a marketing strategy that tied the car to a specific part of Australian history. This link helped create a strong following among customers who viewed the Monaro as more than just a car, seeing it as a symbol of Australian engineering and design excellence. Before we jump into engine details, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Over 98% of you haven't subscribed. Think of the difference if everyone did. It costs nothing but means everything to us. Thanks for helping out. Engine details. The HT Monaro GTS350 was equipped with a 5.7-liter 350 cubic inch Chevrolet V8 engine. This engine produced 300 horsepower at 4,800 revolutions per minute and 380 pound-feet of torque at 3,200 revolutions per minute. It used a Rochester quadrajet carburetor and was paired with a 4-speed Saginaw manual transmission. This combination of a powerful engine and a strong transmission made the HT Monaro GTS350 a standout in the muscle car market, offering both impressive performance and an exciting driving experience. The Chevrolet V8 engine in the HT Monaro GTS350 was naturally aspirated with an overhead valve design and a 90-degree V8 configuration. This design was known for its reliability and its ability to produce significant power and torque, which were essential features for a muscle car of that time. The engine's 5.7-liter displacement allowed it to generate substantial power, making it a strong competitor on both the streets and the racetrack. The Rochester quadrajet carburetor played an important role in the engine's performance by providing efficient fuel delivery, which helped the engine achieve its high power output. The carburetor was known for its ability to handle a wide range of driving conditions, from idle to full throttle, ensuring the engine performed optimally in various situations. The 4-speed Saginaw manual transmission added to the driving experience, allowing for smooth gear changes and enabling drivers to fully utilize the engine's power and torque. The suspension and brakes of the HT Monaro GTS350 were also key to its performance. Monaros with leaf springs were more effective as competition cars compared to later models with all-coil suspension. Owners could improve handling by changing the springs and shock absorbers to reduce body roll during fast cornering and adjust the ride quality from very firm to softer. Performance and specifications. The Monaro GTS350 was a powerful car known for its impressive performance. It could go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 8.1 seconds and at a top speed of 125 miles per hour. The engine's power allowed the Monaro GTS350 to be a serious contender in the muscle car market, offering the speed and strength that car enthusiasts wanted. The Monaro GTS350 was also built for good handling and a smooth ride. Its front suspension used independent suspension with coil springs, which helped improve the ride quality and made the car easier to handle. The rear suspension had a live axle with semi-elliptic leaf springs, a common setup in muscle cars at the time. This combination of front and rear suspension systems gave the Monaro GTS350 stability and control, especially when driving at high speeds. For braking, the Monaro GTS350 used front disc brakes and rear drum brakes. This was a typical setup for performance cars during that period, providing a good balance between braking power and cost. The front disc brakes offered stronger stopping power and better heat dissipation, which was important for high-speed driving. The rear drum brakes, while not as modern as disc brakes, were still good enough for the rear axle and helped keep the car's cost more affordable. The Bathurst Triumph. The HT Monaro GTS350 became a legend after winning the 1969 Bathurst 500. The race was driven by Colin Bond and Tony Roberts. This victory was a major achievement for Holden, proving the Monaro's performance on one of Australia's most difficult racing circuits. The Bathurst 500, held at the Mount Panorama circuit, was famous for its tough layout and intense competition. The success of the HT Monaro GTS350 in this race was largely due to its solid design and engineering. The 5.7-liter V8 engine gave the car the speed and acceleration it needed, while its handling made it capable of tackling the challenging twists and turns of the circuit. The combination of power and agility was key to winning the race. Design details. The design of the HT Monaro GTS350 was a key factor that made it stand out in the muscle car market. It featured a unique front grille and dual headlights, which gave the car an aggressive and commanding look on the road. The muscular body shape further highlighted its performance, making it easy to recognize and highly sought after by car enthusiasts. In terms of size, the HT Monaro GTS350 measured 4,694 millimeters in length, 1,824 millimeters in width, and 1,394 millimeters in height. These dimensions helped give the car a strong, powerful appearance while also providing enough space inside for the driver and passengers. Inside, the HT Monaro GTS350 was designed with the driver's experience in mind. It had bucket seats that provided great support during fast driving, helping the driver stay comfortable and in control. The sports steering wheel added to the car's performance feel, allowing for quick and precise handling. The centrally mounted tachometer was another practical feature that allowed the driver to keep track of the engine's performance, making the driving experience even better. Every detail in the HT Monaro GTS350's design was carefully thought out. From the exterior styling to the features inside, each part was designed to work together and create a powerful, well-rounded package. Market value and units. In 1969, the HT Monaro GTS350 was sold for $3,230, which was a significant amount of money at the time. Today, a 1969 HT Monaro GTS350 can be worth between $100,000 and $110,000, depending on its condition and originality. This dramatic rise in value shows how iconic the car has become and the high demand it has among car collectors and enthusiasts. A total of approximately 14,172 units of the HT Monaro were made, including models sent overseas. This relatively small production number makes the car even more desirable and collectible. The value of the HT Monaro GTS350 is strongly affected by its condition and the authenticity of its parts. Cars that still have their original mechanical components and come with full documentation proving their history are especially valuable. The Holden HT Monaro GTS350's V8-SECRET was a game-changer that dominated the 1969 Bathurst race, cementing its place in motorsport history. What do you think made this car so unstoppable? If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing stories.